Good morning. Okay, so today's my first full day in Siargao. Um, I probably look half asleep and I probably sound half asleep. A little bit past 7 right now. I'm having my oats. It's so hard to talk. I'm so tired. Prior to this, I was in Gorong and I landed in Manila, and I had to go to Gorong to pick up my wallet. From there, back to the airport, and finally came to Siargao here yesterday around 1 in the afternoon. So yeah, just after I landed there, I went to go get food, bought the oats, protein, berries. For me, easy, simple breakfast, stuff that I would be eating if I were back in my place, in my flat. I would be eating that stuff anyway. You can find oats pretty much anywhere. It's cheap, it's convenient. It fills you up, and for me, I don't know, it's just my go-to breakfast. Very simple. I'm also gonna go look for some saran wrap because I need to put sunblock on my back, and don't have anybody to do that for me. And I feel I've never asked a complete stranger to do that for me, and I don't know if I'll start now. Maybe, I don't know. As I opened the blind, the heat just hit me. So this is where I'm staying. Pretty simple place. Basically, I'm in a studio. The road is over there. We have some local neighbors. My bike is somewhere down there, or my moped, I should say. We're whipping that bad boy pretty soon. Little mini balcony. I'm just leaving some of my clothes to dry there. So I'm gonna go do that. Look for some sunburn. Hopefully I don't get a sunburn. Look for some sunblock. And then if I can find some, hopefully I can. See if I can put that on myself. I saw a few videos of looking up how to do it, but not really sure. So we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I can find some. They had it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try this out. Hopefully it'll work. And hopefully at the end of the day, I don't come back as red as a lobster, because I burnt super easy. So let's give this a try. All right, here we go. So sun safe, sunscreen, reef friendly, save the ocean, people, save the turtles. Okay, anyways, so this is hopefully the easiest solution. Maybe not the easiest, but the most convenient. So this is gonna be my entire back. So like I said, I burn easy. It's quite a bit. Let's see, hopefully this will work. Oh man, I already see how this can go wrong, and hopefully it doesn't. But let's give this a try. I can't even reach it. The whole point of this was I could reach, okay? That's a mess. Okay, so I did it. I just had to keep going with the saran wrap. Eventually I even used like a little rag that I had laying around because it just had an excess amount of sunscreen on it. So it took a lot longer than I thought. There's a bunch of beaches here, so I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna go to today. Check that out. Don't know what I'm gonna do afterwards, but hopefully it's not too crowded. It's still relatively early, so maybe just, you know, a few surfers will be out there, but not a mass crowd. And that's what I'm seeking to do, to avoid the crowd, at least for today. All right, so I'm on my way to Marinao Beach. Is about less than a 10-minute drive. Have a little hook here, convenient, so I'll be able to hopefully put this bad boy in there and record some of this journey. Let's get going. the beach? This way? This way? Thank you. Right to the beach is pretty small, but it's actually pretty quiet. There's only maybe like 2 or 3 local families that are swimming here. This is pretty chill. So I'm just gonna lay out here for a little bit, listen to some music, and then take a dip, cool off, and then head to another beach. Okay, so I lied. I said I was gonna be at the other beach on Malinao. I said I was gonna lay down there, but I couldn't find a good spot in Malinao, so I asked one of the locals, like, hey, where's a good spot for me to put my stuff and lay down for a bit? She said, oh yeah, go further down to go to, she told me the name of a resort, and then, so I tried to go there with my bike, and then I got lost. So I asked another person, he said, oh yeah, no, you need to go to another one. So he told me a different place. That's where I'm at now, and I really like it here. It's like Secret Beach, and there is absolutely nobody here. It is really just me. So there's more over there. I'm gonna go walk that way, but this is incredible. This is so quiet. So the water is so warm. So now I'm gonna lay down for a bit. Alright guys, so I just had something to eat. Went to a small little cafe, had a giant omelet with some fruit and a little bit of yogurt and what was it, iced latte. It was 250 pesos, so very cheap. It's about midday. It's extremely hot out. The sun is directly above, so I'm gonna play it safe and go somewhere indoors. I'm gonna hit the gym for a little bit, let the sun pass. Then I don't know what I'm gonna do after that. Probably just head back to another beach or something. I don't have anything planned today. The tours and all that stuff, or deeper exploring, is gonna be later on. It's my first full day on the island, so don't really have a plan yet. And don't know if you can tell, but it looks like I already got a sunburn on my bottoms of my feet and on my toes. So, you know, hopefully it's just red from right now, the pressure. I really hope it's not a sunburn, because that's gonna hurt tomorrow. But anyways, I'll check it back in later. I'm gonna go do this push workout. Really simple. Get out money. I couldn't do it at the ATMs. They weren't working, so I just looked online and there was an app called World Remittance or something like that. Just something like that. I'll link it below, but basically you can send yourself money. That's what I had to do. I was running low and I didn't think it would be this difficult to get out money, so I just went over to this pawn shop. You can see it. There's other locations. I think there's one more, and I'll put the name of that below as well. But I just went there. It was pretty easy. I got it in like 15 minutes of sending it. But yeah, that's something to remember. If you run out of cash, the ATM, at least for me, didn't work. Maybe it'll work later, but it didn't work for me. So try it out. Hopefully it'll work. There's another location that was a little bit more. It was further down, and I was cutting it close on time, so I didn't go to that one. I just went here. It was about a 2-minute drive, so at least I can vouch for it. So if you run into that problem, there's your solution.